If MoneyLion stopped working immediately after an app update, the update itself isn't always the problem. Corrupted app data, an incomplete installation, or temporary compatibility issues with your device are common causes. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest steps to get MoneyLion working again without guessing. Start by completely closing the MoneyLion app and opening it again. If it's frozen or stuck on a loading screen, force close it from your phone's recent apps menu before relaunching it. Next, restart your phone. A reboot clears temporary system processes that can interfere with newly updated apps, and often fixes issues that appear right after an update. Now, check whether another MoneyLion update is available. Developers sometimes release a follow-up update shortly after a major release to fix bugs discovered after launch. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install any available update. If the app still isn't working, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, then try signing in again. Connection issues can make an updated app appear broken, even when the service is working normally. On Android, clear the MoneyLion app cache from your device settings. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can also clear the app data, but be prepared to sign back into your account afterward. On iPhone, there isn't a manual cache clearing option for most apps. Instead, uninstall the MoneyLion app, restart your iPhone, and install the latest version again from the App Store. This replaces any damaged app files left behind during the update. If specific features aren't working, such as transfers, account information, or cash advance options, check whether MoneyLion is experiencing a temporary service outage. Sometimes the app update is released at the same time as back-end maintenance, making it look like the update caused the problem. Also, make sure your phone's operating system is reasonably up to date. An older version of Android or iOS can occasionally create compatibility problems with newer app releases. If you've tried these steps and the issue continues, contact MoneyLion support through the official help options. Include your device model, operating system version, app version, and a description of what happens when you open the app. That information helps the support team troubleshoot faster. To recap, restart the app in your phone, install any newer update, check your connection, clear the cache or reinstall the app, and contact MoneyLion support if the issue doesn't go away. Your next step is to reinstall the latest version of MoneyLion if restarting the app and your phone didn't solve the problem. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other MoneyLion troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.